Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a crucial update for Jeep Cherokee owners, especially if you have a 4WD model. Let's take a look at what Jeep Cherokee owners are saying online about the 4WD compatibility issue. Many have shared their experiences, tips, and frustrations on forums and social media. There's an important service bulletin you need to know about. It could save you from expensive repairs and headaches down the road. The bulletin is NHTSA ID 102184442, also called Manufacturer Communication 9004402, released in August 2021. It covers 2014 to 2022 Jeep Cherokee KL models with 4WD, specifically those with active drive 2 or active drive lock systems. The main issue is with the rear drive module, or RDM. This part helps send power to your rear wheels. But not all RDMs are the same. Jeep used two different designs over the years. Early Cherokees came with a 24-plate clutch, RDM, while later models switched to a 20-plate version. These two are not interchangeable, and using the wrong one can cause serious problems. Why does this matter? If you replace the RDM with the wrong type, or mix it with the wrong driveline control module, called the DLCM or hydraulic pump, your 4WD system might not work right. You could get warning lights, strange noises, or even lose 4WD capability. The rules are strict. If you change the RDM, you must also install the matching DLCM and, in many cases, the correct hydraulic pump. Otherwise, the system can fail again soon after repairs. For reference, the 20-plate DLCM is part number 683836660AE. The 24-plate version is 685406446AA, and the updated pump is 68551790AA. Always double-check these numbers before ordering. Special note for 2016 owners. Some early 2016 Cherokees still used the 24-plate system, so it's critical to verify which parts your vehicle has before making any repairs. The most common symptom is a Service 4WD or Service AWD warning message on your dashboard. You might also notice odd noises or changes in how your Cherokee drives. If you see these warnings, a dealer will usually find a failed RDM pump. But remember, just replacing the pump isn't enough. You need all the right matching parts for a lasting fix. Here's a pro tip. Even though Jeep calls the RDM fluid lifetime, many experts recommend changing it regularly to help prevent these failures. It's important to know this isn't a safety recall. It's official service advice to make sure your repairs are done right and your 4WD system stays reliable. Bottom line, always use the correct matching parts when replacing the RDM, DLCM, or pump. This is the best way to avoid repeat failures and keep your Cherokee running strong. Following this advice will help your Cherokee's 4WD system stay smooth and reliable, and could save you a lot of money in the long run. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe for more car tips, and share your Cherokee stories in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.